Do you want to have a ADU on your property or a DADU on your property? What that is, an accessory dwelling unit or a detached accessory dwelling unit. So an attached one is like your basement area, or if you have like a second floor, or maybe if you're on a ranch and you have a separate, back area where you could make that with a kitchen and 2 entrances. So an ADU has 2 egresses, entrance and exit, must have a kitchen, must have a sleeping area, and it must have a bathroom. The ADU also has to be smaller than the main portion of the home, and you can use the ADU then to rent it out to bring in income to help you pay for your mortgage. Now, when qualifying for a loan, if you're buying a property that has an ADU, we don't use the rental income, or if we are allowed to use the rental income, it's going to be a very small portion, like 30% up to $700. So it's not about income qualifying, it's more about helping you make your mortgage payment. You can also do a detached ADU, which is building just a separate detached unit on your property. We can do that through our renovation platform. So we can also help you create an ADU through our renovation platform. So if you're looking to buy a property that you want to add an ADU so you can get additional income for it, we can help you on that. And those are all allowed. Again, they have to be smaller in size from the main, property that you live in. They have to have 2 egress, entrance and exit. You must have a sleeping area, must have a kitchen area, and must have a bathroom. If you meet all those requirements, then that is totally allowable. On a move-in ready property, we can create one through our renovation platform. So there's a lot of different options with that type of property. If you have any questions on how to get an ADU unit or a DADU unit through our financing options, please feel free to reach out to me.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.